Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today we're going to be doing a 12-minute upper body workout. I have 6 exercises to show you. Transformers, let's go. Alright guys, our first exercise, we're going to be going Set Bicep Curls. We're going to lean back and curl the arms, 40 seconds. And let's go. And in this position, you're going to feel the core working. Keep those elbows tucked in, keep that chest up. Feel the biceps working as well. Good, every time you curl the arms up, you're going to breathe out. And breathe out. Good job, keep it going guys. Good, keep those shoulders back. Keep looking up here the whole time. Okay, the farther you lean back, the more you're gonna feel it in the core. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Our next exercise, we're gonna be going into skull crushers. You're gonna be lying down, elbows are gonna be pointing to the ceiling, and then you're gonna extend the arms and breathe out. Great exercise for targeting the triceps. We're going to be going for a total of 40 seconds. Ready in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay, keep those elbows pointing up the whole time. Keep that core nice and tight. Okay, continue to breathe. Doing great guys, halfway there. Good. Keep the elbows and hands shoulder width apart. Feel those triceps working at the top. Nice work guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Alright, we're gonna flip over. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some plank rotations. You're gonna be in a plank position right here. I'm going to rotate, look straight up to the ceiling, and then you're gonna alternate sides. Ready position? 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Every time you rotate, you're gonna breathe out. Try to rotate with the shoulder and hip together. Good, you feel in the core here, you're gonna feel the shoulders stabilizing. Good, make sure your feet are together. We're halfway there guys, 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, grab your weights again. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some single arm dumbbell rows. I'm going to have a big step forward, big step back. Lean forward slightly while keeping the chest back, and then you're gonna pull the fist towards the rib cage, driving the elbows up, just like this. Let's get ready, 40 seconds, and let's go. Okay, give me a big pull. Keep the core tight. Keep those shoulders back. Good, every time you pull, you're gonna breathe out. Continue to lean forward. Continue to drive those elbows up. You guys are doing great. Good, let's keep working. Just about there, 10 seconds hard, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm gonna have a big step forward, big step back, and pull the elbows up. Same thing, ready position, lean forward, shoulders back, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up, 40 seconds. Good, make sure you're holding the dumbbell nice and tight. Good, pretend like you're gonna elbow someone behind you. Drive those elbows up, keep that core tight, find that balance, continue to pull. Pretend like you're pulling 50 pounds, high tension, breathe out at the top, slow on the way down. Nice work, guys. 15 seconds. Keep it going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some squat presses. You're gonna have the weights right on top of your shoulders. I'm gonna squat down by sticking my bum back, and then with my arms and legs, I'm gonna push the weight straight up to the ceiling. Make sure that those elbows are tucked in underneath the weight here the whole time. 2, 1, let's go, 40 seconds. Good, every time you squat up, you're gonna breathe out, punch the ceiling, keep that core tight. Good. Make sure you're going all the way up with the arms. Try to get nice and low with the legs. Keep that core engaged the whole time. You're gonna drive up with the heels. Nice work, guys. Last 10 seconds, finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, take a little breather. You're welcome to grab some water if you need. Let's do a quick little stretch. Grab your elbow and pull, stretch out the triceps. Good, take a 60-second break if you need here, grab some water, and then you can join me with some stretches. Grab your elbow and pull. After we finish this break, we're gonna do the same exact 4 exercises for our second round. Hands with back of your head, pull those elbows back, open up the chest. Okay, nice work. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get ready for our next exercise. We're going back to the Set Bicep Curls. Let's get in a ready position. Let's grab your weights. We're gonna lean back over here, keep that chest up, elbows tucked in, and then we're gonna curl the weights up. If you wanna make it harder, you can also lift up those heels nice and high. Feel that core working. Let's get ready in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Give me a big curl. Every time you curl the arms up, breathe out. Keep those shoulders back, keep that chest up. You guys are doing great. Good. Feel the biceps working. Feel that core stabilizing. Doing great, guys. 15 seconds, nice and strong. Last 10 seconds coming up. Let's lean back even more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. We're gonna lie down. Our next exercise, we're gonna be going into skull crushers. You're gonna have those elbows up and then you're gonna extend. A common mistake that I see is you turn it into a chest press. This is not a chest press, this is a skull crusher. We're gonna target the back of the arms. We're gonna strengthen the triceps. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep those elbows up, extend those arms, breathe out at the top. Keep the hands, elbows, shoulder width apart. Keep that core tight. You want to keep the core tight with every single exercise we do. Nice work, nice strong grip. And breathe out. Breathe out. Doing great, guys. Last 10 seconds, finish strong. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. All right, nice work. Let's drop the weights. We're gonna flip over for our plank rotations. You're gonna be in a plank position right here, feet together, hands shoulder width apart. Rotate, reach up to the ceiling. You're also gonna look up to the ceiling as you rotate. 40 seconds, let's go. Good, reach straight up. Keep the hands directly underneath the shoulders. Every time you rotate, breathe out. Rotate, breathe out. Good work, guys. Good, almost there. Finish strong. Let's do 2 more. Last one. And time. Nice work. All right, next exercise, you're gonna grab your weights. We're gonna be doing our dumbbell rows. Big step forward, big step back, and we're gonna drive the elbows up. We're gonna target the biceps, the back of the shoulders. 2, 1, we got 40 seconds, let's go. Make sure you're leaning forward while keeping the shoulders back, while keeping the head back. What I mean by keeping the shoulders back is you don't wanna get into this position. You wanna have the shoulders back the whole time. You also don't wanna have your head forward like this. You wanna keep the head back here the whole time as well. Drive the hands towards the rib cage, drive those elbows up. Keep breathing, guys, 15 seconds. Finish strong with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch sides. Again, a big step forward, big step back. You wanna make sure you have opposite arm and leg. So here, the weight's in my left arm, my right leg is forward. I have a big step forward, big step back. Find that balance. I'm gonna drive the weights up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Give me a big pull. Good. Feel the lats working, feel the biceps working. Continue to breathe. You guys are doing great. Keep pumping those arms. We got 20 seconds. Almost there, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right, we got our last exercise coming up. Squat presses. Let's go ahead and grab your second dumbbell. You're gonna have the weights right on your shoulders. Notice where my elbows are. Again, you don't want those elbows flaring out. You want those elbows tucked in underneath the weight for support. We're gonna get down nice and low on our squat. Press straight up. 40 seconds, and let's go. Pretend like you're sitting on a chair. Drive the weights straight up. As you drive the weights up, breathe out. Breathe out. Great work, guys. Keep breathing. Nice and strong. Working our whole body on this exercise. Arms, legs, stabilizing through the core. Just about there, guys. Let's see if we can squeeze in 2 more. Okay, 3 seconds, last one. Get extra low. All right, and that is time. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca, and sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.